Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this big bag. Oh, we have cross stitch. All right. Now this bag comes from Outdoor Tide, and it's going to be in two parts. So part one is today, and part two will be next Friday. If they have any specials or discount codes, or if I have any, they're going to be right in here and in the description box below. So be sure to check those out. So the one we are going to review today is quite big, and it is, well, let's turn it over. I want to look. Nope, it's 14 count, and it is 61 by 61. Let me get it out of its pouch, if you will. Yeah. But I really, really like this one. Hang on just a second. All right, I am back. I wanted to write on the pouch where it came from because, you know, stuff happens around here. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at all the flowers, the trees, the gazebo, the light. It looks like maybe there's perhaps water, like right behind that gazebo. And this one was $24.34, sorry, and it is Egyptian cotton, and it does come with this. Oh, it's all attached, sorry. Oh, well, this is special and swell. Why, guys, why can you not do that? Oh my goodness, hang on, guys, we're gonna get that puppy right out of there. See if I can maneuver it without stabbing myself. My goodness gracious. All right, now we can open it. Beautiful booklet, very well printed in typical spring fashion. It is 281 by 281 in stitches. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how colorful that is. And, you know, some people might need a magnifying glass, but that's okay, too. Let's see what, oh my goodness gracious. We got a few colors. We have 84 colors. We have 84 colors in full stitch. 5 in mixed. So that's all there is. There's no back stitching, no French knots, no half cross stitch. Yeah. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. Let's see. We have 154, which is mulberry. There is no 310 black. Amazing. Anything else I know of? We do have 550 purple. There's a lot of colors here. Holy cow. We have 823, which is the dark navy. And no 939. No 3371, which is a dark brown. And no 3865. We have 3771, but like it says, there's a pink. Whatever color this is roughly what color the thread is. So the inside number belongs to this paper pattern. The outside numbers belong to the canvas. It is divided into 6 pages into this booklet. So very well done. Very nice. I do like the Spring Company. You know, for some things, and others, I don't know. I've had some of the, it looked similar to this, But it was such a huge picture, it could have been done in a 40 by 40, and I don't know, it was just too big for me. I don't know. But I do like their landscapes, and I love that colorful town, so yeah. Moving on, guys. It does have an instruction page on how to start, how to finish. Take a look at this cotton thread. We have 1, 2, and 3 thread cards. We have 2 needles, and they're small needles. I'll try to hold it as still as I can. Hopefully you can see how small that is compared to the others. There's your 154. So I don't know what they're using for black, but I'm sure we'll get there. Because usually they have a dark color. Maybe I missed that pewter thing. Good gravy. That pewter thing that they had. Beautiful colors. Just absolutely gorgeous. We have oranges. There's your 550 purple. Lots of greens, tans, grays. A wide variety of colors. Yeah, I'm seeing a dark color coming up. And we have some light colors and some very bright colors. Kind of a purplish blue there. It looks more, to me, through the camera, it looks purple, but it's more of a bluish with purple hinge. And there is another dark blue, number 45. Where is it? 45 is, oh, that's 823. Okay, no wonder it's dark. But other than that, I haven't seen any other dark colors. Look at that magenta. More purples. And over here, number 76, is that pewter color. So, they've been using it more often. That's the pewter color for a black. So, very nice, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Ugh. Yeah, once again, they've done it again. I'm trying to get everybody together here. Then we're going to give it a shake. Holy cow. That's a lot of thread. A lot of thread. Beautiful, beautiful colors in this. So let's take a look at the canvas. Let me put that up there. Yeah, it's going to need its own bag. I'm going to have to order more than big bags. And this does come with a silica pack, if I can get it, to keep the canvas dry. So make sure you dispose of this properly so your animals or small children do not get them, because they are poison. We'll put it in there for right now so I don't knock it off on the floor, and we're not going to need that again. Get that out of my way. So, let's open this up. Maybe, baby. I would say it's like 2 sizes smaller than Colorful Town, which is fine. And it goes up and down. Very well printed. Oh, and I'm so glad there's no half cross stitch. I'm getting a little tired of it. I've had about the last 3 or 4 kits I've had half cross stitch. It's like, come on, get over it, let's just stitch. But there's going to be confetti. There's bigger areas, of course. But very nicely printed. It was not wet. So, I don't know. Hang on. I gotta move my pop out of the way. Alright. You can see the gazebo really clearly. And then there's color behind it. Just absolutely a stunning canvas. Nice big key where you can see all the symbols. Now over here we have the what do you call them, mixed numbers. There's 5 there. I don't know if I missed some. Thought there was more than 5. I guess not. Okay, I'm dreaming again. So your colors go all the way down to the bottom and finish up across here. So, very nice, very big, very easy to see. I'll hold that, but look at that confetti. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. But it's beautiful. It is serged all the way around. I'm going to turn it this way. Oh, well, that didn't work out so hot. So it's going to be a little wide. I don't know, it doesn't seem square. Okay, gosh, darn it, hang on to it. 60.5 centimeters that way. And this way is 60.5 to 61 centimeters or 24 inches. So it's about square, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels wider than it does longer. Okay, the actual picture size is almost 51 centimeters or 20 inches by, this is approximate if I can get it to lay down, 50.5 centimeters or a little over 19 3/4 inches. But it is going to be gorgeous with all those threads. I just cannot, yeah, just beautiful. Stunning, stunning. And I like how well printed it is. There doesn't seem to be any light, you know, or almost, sometimes they get them almost faint symbols on a canvas. These, you can see every one of those symbols just perfectly. Just perfectly. No smudges, no smears. Gorgeous, gorgeous kit. I wanted another one of the Egyptian cotton, but I was kind of waiting because I wanted a bigger one like the colorful town. So, yeah, and I think we got it. They do have smaller kits that have Egyptian cotton, so check that out. Now, let me put this up here for a second. All right. Now, Outdoor Tide has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And they do have some garden decor and jigsaw puzzles, so they seem to have a lot for everybody. Always a wide selection of cross stitches, diamond paintings, any of that. So if you can't find nothing there, I'm telling you. So do check them out. Any kind of specials will be at the beginning of the video and in the description. Thank you, Outdoor Tide, for this gorgeous kit that we're going to start today at 1. So tune back in at 1 o'clock today, Mountain Standard Time, USA. And we will have a stitch with me, and we are going to start this gazebo. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.